Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening File Explorer and moving to the exact folder where you want the new directory. This ensures you don't create it in the wrong place. Once there, right-click an empty area or use the toolbar menu to choose New Then Folder. On Mac, use the Finder menu or +Shift+N. Make sure to check permissions if a system or network path prevents creation. This first action sets the context and avoids later moves or permission errors. Now name the folder with a meaningful label so you and others can find it. Good names reduce future rework. Once named, decide on organization. Use prefixes like 2026-01-01 or numbering to force sort order, and create subfolders if you need categories. To populate it, drag and drop files from the source or use cut and paste to preserve paths. Make sure to verify file types and duplicate. Finish by confirming the folder appears and that permissions match your intent, especially on shared or network locations, because wrong permissions block access. If the folder doesn't show immediately, press F5 or restart Explorer/Finder. Caching or UI delays are common. If creation fails, check storage quotas, long path limits, or invalid characters in the name. Removing prohibited symbols usually fixes it. Keep a single troubleshooting tip. When in doubt, try creating the folder on the desktop to isolate permission or path issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.